Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I'm going to take a look at this radio cassette recorder. It's the Radiocorder 4000 CS. So it is not working, it powers on, but the only thing you can hear is static. So today I'm trying to fix this because this is a present. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So now, first I show you the fault. I power it on. Here it runs on 220 volts. Yeah, here the plug is a little bit off center. That's not right. So let's try this. Oh, this goes in very hard. Okay, here you can switch between cassette deck and radio. I put it on radio and let's hear what it does. So I cannot tune in any station. It does nothing. The band selector, that doesn't change anything. The volume slider is, you hear, that's not right. So now let's try the cassette deck. I have a cassette here. Let's open it up. First, I want to see if it's spinning. Let's press play. And it does spin. But it's the same static. So let's see. And now. Nothing. It's spinning, but no sound, just static. So, let's open it up and take a closer look. So now let's see. I couldn't find, oh. There is something rattling inside. Let's see what that is. I couldn't find anything, any information about this thing on the internet. Yeah, this was not expensive, cost €5 with free shipping, so. But I thought it looked cool. Now, let's see. There is a screw, here is a screw, here and here. And I think I saw something on the bottom. Yeah, that's super knackered. Someone was in here. So let's see what horror awaits us. So yeah, here. Okay. I can see a loose cable. That slides out, that's cool. So yeah. So the antenna was not even connected. Okay. That's not good. The problem is, I zoom in a little. So here, that was loose. And this goes. Oh, what's this? Ugh. And what's this? Completely deteriorated whatever. Okay. So maybe only this is the problem. Here is the... But I can't see where this is connected. That would explain why the radio is not working, but I don't know if this is the antenna. So this cable is loose, and this, it goes to... What's this? Some tape came out. First, let's measure the speaker. It should be around 8 ohms. And it is. Okay, I think that's good. This seems pretty loose, but okay, I guess. What's this? Oh, there are parts of a tape in here. Oh, that's no good sign. Okay. I put contact cleaner in here because the volume knob was very scratchy. Here is a fuse, let's check this. But it should be okay because it gets power. Yes, it is. So I have here contact cleaner. I put this in here. So I look a little bit around, and if I find something, I show you. So yeah, that was short but successful. Okay, as I expected, this is for the antenna. So I plugged it in. As you saw, I cleaned the sliders here with contact cleaner. I plugged it in again, and lo and behold, it works. The radio works. Okay. Maybe it was the volume slider, I don't know. So now I need to attach this to the antenna here. I think I solder this on, but I'm not sure yet. Okay, that's nice. Now the other issue. So the radio is working. Now I want to test the cassette again. Oh, I'm so glad it was just this, because I'm not a radio technician. Okay, open. And yeah, that was the problem. I think it was just this. Okay. I love contact cleaner. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, something fell out. Yeah, that's so nice. Short and successful. Cool. I clean up. Then I solder a longer wire on here, and then I think I can put it back together. See you in a bit. Let's see if we can get this nice and tidy. Yes. Let's shrink it. I want to attach this here. But how? Here it is, here it is. Here is a clip, you see. This has already solder on it. That's on for good. Yeah, that's better. Nothing can short out. I will clean the whole thing, but not in this video because I think it's not too exciting. So now to the second part, the tape drive. I dismantle it again, and yeah, that's pretty tricky because there are all these wires. You can't get to this very well, but I found something. Another loose cable. It came out from around here, down here. So there is this green wire, and here was the red one. Yeah, I think this could cause it. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. So I try to dismantle this more, and then let's see if I find something. So I got the tape drive out. Yeah, that was not very easy. And here I found, let me grab my tweezers. And here was the wire attached. But I think that's only for there is an indicator for battery, or if it gets power. I think it's just for that. But I solder this on nonetheless. So now I try to put this back. Yeah, it's very messy, but I can't see anything what could be responsible for this. Yeah, there are a few solder joints that don't look so good. Here is a kind of a connector. Yeah, I reflow that. Oh yeah, that was barely hanging on there. I try to press these a little so then they make better contact. Yeah, that's much better. And I think I put a little hot glue here to keep it in. So I press it down. I hope you can see the angles here are pretty weird. There actually was some kind of glue. Some yellow stuff, I don't know what this was. And now I think I put this back together. I hope I can find all the screws and remember where to put them, and then I test it again. Yeah, last time it worked, but only for a short time, so okay. And I put it back together, test it, and then I report back to you. So guys, it's all back together now. So I hope this solved the problem. But this time I'm hopeful. Okay. First, let's test the radio. Radio. Yes! It's working. Sweet. That's awesome. And now the cassette. Let's hit play. And now. Yes! Radio. Cassette. Stop. So guys, it's all nice and working. Yeah, I have to clean it up, but I don't put this in the video. Maybe I show you in a short how it looks after I cleaned it. My aim was to get it working, and it's working. This was for me a hard one because I have no experience in fixing these things. It's trial and error. Yeah, but this was a nice fix. These were nice faults. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I have a thing for these radios. I think that's the third one I repaired. Yeah, the first one was for my nephew. The second one I gave to my brother, and this one is also for another nephew. Yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you find it useful. If you have a broken radio and want to fault find it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. I see you next time guys. Thank you very much. Bye.